Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to use student resources in context to find literary analysis articles. If you're going to get there from the website, the best place to start is to go to eastonsd.org, the home site, and then click on schools, go to the high school, and then from here you want to go to academics, and then click on library down at the bottom. Brings you into the library database page, which shows you all the different databases that the high school subscribes to for research. For this tutorial, we are going to go under, I have it in two places. I have it in the general research tab here. I also have it under the literary research here, student resources in context there. So either one, doesn't matter, it's the same thing. And once you click on it, when you get to this from home, I'm doing this tutorial from my house, you need the home access password. It is PL2142, and that is also on the database page, so you'll have that password as well. So the first thing that you might want to do is you might want to sign in with your Google account because it allows you to send any articles you want over to your drive. For this tutorial, I'm not going to do that. I just want to do a quick search so everybody can see what this looks like. So when you're in this, my suggestion is if you're dealing with a particular novel or a poem or a short story, do a search by the actual story, the novel, or the poem. Okay, so you want to get stuff that's specific on the novel. So let's do To Kill a Mockingbird. And what's nice is once you start typing in the search, it kind of knows what you're looking for. So I'm just going to automatically pick this To Kill a Mockingbird novel because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for information on the novel. And what I like about this database is that it gives you pretty good basic information, nothing too crunchy, nothing too hard to understand. So just to go over quickly what you're looking at, it's telling you these are all the different content types that are here when you do a search. So I think for literary analysis, the most important things that to get out of this would be your plot summaries. They're great, almost like Spark Notes, maybe even reference articles and critical essays. Certainly could branch out into other things. If you need biographical information on your author, you could go there too as well. So you can see down here you get different reference articles, and they're like almost like an encyclopedia article about the actual novel in and of itself. So that's a great place to start. These reference 11 articles under reference. All right, and you can just kind of go through and see what's out there. Most of it is just your overview information. The other thing I think that will be helpful is critical essays. That's just analysis on the novel. That's what's going to help you, write your paper, some sort of analysis. Now, if you already know what topic you want to research within something, what you could do to narrow down is to go to this search within. So if I click on that, what it'll do is it'll search within the results that I got. So if I want to look at racism in the novel, okay, I'm going to hit submit. Now I'm down to only 12 essays, only 6 reference articles, and more than likely the articles will deal specifically with racism, okay? So it's a nice way to narrow down your search. I'm going to click on an article, again, just to show you what's there. You have a nice, lengthy article, and down at the bottom, you have your source citation here. You can copy and paste it into a document, but if you send the articles over to your Google Drive, the citation will go with you, so you don't have to do it separately, okay? And how you do that, to get, like, say if you want this article, what you can do is go to this Drive function, or I think you can go up here to send to, either one. I'm going to click on it, and it'll ask me to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. I've already put my password in, so it didn't ask me for a password. Probably the first time you do it, it'll ask for a password, and then it's going to go over to your Drive in a, I believe, red folder, and it should say student resources and contacts, so you know that it's in that folder. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Mrs. Soffera, my email is my last name, Soffera, first initial with a D, at eastonsd.org.